Good day. Please introduce yourself.
Good day. I am Carvin Magnaye. I'm 30 years old and I'm recently residing at Sariaya, Quezon.
Okay. What is your height and your weight?
Um, 4'11 and 125
Pounds.
pounds.
Okay. What is your educational attainment?
I am college undergraduate,
What course?
BEd, Bachelor of Elementary Education.
Okay. For how many years?
2 years.
2 years. Okay. Are you married or single?
Yes, ma'am. I am married with 2 children.
How old?
My eldest is 9 years old and my youngest is 8 years old.
Okay. So are you ex-abroad?
No, this is my first time.
But how about here in the Philippines? Do you have any experience related to domestic helper?
Yes.
For how many years?
Since 2003 to 2005, I am checker of a food restaurant.
Restaurant only. But how about inside the house? As a domestic helper?
2007 to 2009, I am a housekeeper of Medina's residence. There are 2 elderly and 1 adult.
How old are the two elderly?
Couple elderly are he is 72 years old and the wife is 62 years old.
Okay, so no children.
No children.
So what are your duties and responsibilities inside their house?
I am only cleaning their house, wash dishes, and also marketing.
How about cooking?
No, ma'am.
You're not the one
Only my
cooking.
employer to handle it.
Okay. So how about taking care of children or newly born babies? I think you're very well trained because you have 2 kids.
Yes, ma'am.
So are you the one taking care of them since their
Full
birth?
time.
Full-time
Full-time.
mom. So
Yes,
you're
ma'am.
hands-on
Since
mother.
since my 2 children, they will born.
Okay. So what are the things that you do since their birth?
Taking a bath, changing diaper, singing lullabies, drinking milk.
Okay. You also sing them children's song like
Yes,
that. Can you show us an example?
Like Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Okay.
Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, how I wonder what you are, like a diamond in the sky.
Okay, thank you. And in your house, you're the one doing all the household chores.
Yes, ma'am.
And also cooking.
Yes,
What
ma'am.
kind of dishes can you cook?
Only Filipino dishes like adobo, sinigang, vegetables, fried dishes.
Okay. And how about Chinese dishes?
No, ma'am, but I am willing to learn.
Okay. Because in Hong Kong, they only eat Chinese food.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And when you're given a chance to work in Hong Kong, what is your prepared work? Is it taking care of newly born, young children, or elderly?
Maybe young children, ma'am.
I think the best work that you can do is taking care of young
Yes,
children.
ma'am.
Okay. So what are the appliances that you know how to operate?
With washing machine, iron, flat iron, and also vacuum.
Okay. All electric appliances.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. And most people in Hong Kong are speaking Cantonese. Are you willing to learn their language?
Yes, ma'am. I am willing to learn Cantonese. Maybe it's a big advantage to me
To communicate.
to communicate my employer and their relatives.
Okay. So why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Because in Hong Kong they are given a much higher salary under domestic helper.
Okay. So for the future of your kids.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Speaking of your kids, who will take care of them when you go abroad?
Only my husband and my mother-in-law.
Okay. So can you give message to your future employer?
Ma'am, if you choose me, I am willing to do my work as I'm obedient and trustworthy, and also I promise to you to finish my 2 years contract.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.